Hey everyone, this is Kuvam Lore. We're going to be going from an old thermotate case to the new NZXT H500 series case. And so, let's rebuild it. So here's that case. It's got a Asus 1070. It's got a Cooler Master with just a i5 6600K. It's got the EVGA 500 watt and then a couple hard drives and a couple 3.5 as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this one and we're going to switch it down into the H500, and this one here has the Asus 170AR. There's the SanDisk SSD, the 1070, motherboard, and then 4 fans I pulled out of the other case that I might try to squeeze into the H500 case as well. But let's clean it up and then we'll put it back in.